Hello, everyone. Welcome to the launch event for the Aurora Hackathon. So happy to see all of you here. Make sure to pop a message in the chat, introduce yourself, and let me know where you're currently based. We love to see how global our audience is here at Encode. So I'll go start. So, okay. Amazing. Hi, everyone who's just joining. As I said, just quickly ping a message in the chat, introduce yourself, let me know where you're from. We love to see our global audience. I'm just going to give it a minute or two to make sure everyone has ample time to join. But yeah, lovely to see all of you. Super excited to start this event. Amazing. Munich, Chile, and Santa Clara. Wow. We love to see it. As people are joining, I'm just going to quickly drop down some important links in the chat. So if you haven't already, please do join our Discord. All our updates and everything important regarding this hackathon will be posted on there. So if you go to our dedicated Aurora chat, you'll be able to access all things Aurora related. Also, if you are keen to join any of our other programs, not just our hackathons, please do follow us on Twitter. We like to post all our different events, whether that's a job fair or an AMA, everything is on there. Awesome. Oops, sorry, that was supposed to say Aurora, not Polkadot. But our Aurora Hackathon webpage is linked there. Please do check it out for all our interesting bounties. And also our hacker pack, if you have not received it already, this is where everything will be posted and updated. So all the recordings for all our sessions will be in this hacker pack. But lovely to see more people joining. So without further ado, I'd love to get started. Awesome. Hi, everyone. Again, welcome to the Encode Aurora Hackathon. So happy to see all of you here. Super excited to kick things off. So just a quick introduction from me. So my name is Johanna, and I'll be your program manager here at this hackathon. So there is my Twitter. If you have any questions, please do feel free to ping me a message. And I will also be active on Discord. So if you guys have any questions or any concerns about the hackathon, please do ping me a message on there. I'll definitely be adding my Discord. But yeah, if this is your first Encode Club program, I'm just going to quickly run through what we do. So Encode Club is a Web3 education community. So in short, we help very talented developers learn, build, and forge a career in Web3. So just like all of you here today, we are really keen to share loads of opportunities in the Web3 space with you. So we do this in several different ways. So one, we do educate series where we tend to have speakers give workshops, M&As about specific topics for different companies and organizations. On top of this, we do programs such as like this, like hackathons, where talented people all around the world get to join our online hackathons and build something incredible in 4 weeks. We also have accelerators, so those with ideas or interested in doing kind of startups. We have a dedicated group to really help those to kickstart, build their kind of companies. We also have boot camps, so I know a lot of people are very interested in our boot camps. So we have several boot camps running all the time, so please do check that out. And our boot camps are normally dedicated and tailored programs to help you learn specific things. So this is where we have a dedicated team to really help you understand the technical levels of things. And last but not least, recruitment. We have a very talented talent team here at Encode, and those who are interested in different opportunities or maybe a career change, all things kind of recruitment related, our talent team will help you in that regard. So yeah, please do check out our webpage as I linked in the chat. You can see all our different programs if you are interested in joining all of them. Amazing. So, as I was saying about our incredible team, without further ado, I'd love to invite Eomji to the stage just to give a brief introduction. Yeah, welcome to all of you.
Hello, everyone. Super excited to see you all. We have been waiting so long time to have an Aurora Hackathon together. So we are very excited welcoming everyone from the world. And this time, even more exciting news. A lot of you already received the messages. We're gonna first ever Spanish workshop thanks to Boris, which means that Aurora Hack is not only having an English content, we're gonna have a Spanish support. So if you're a hacker or if you have any for example, colleagues who speak Spanish, so that like they were looking for the chance to asking any question related to blockchain, EVM, anything. Boris is here, so everyone, please use this chance in maximum. Overall, Encode Club is supporting everyone who want to learn and keep building through their journey. So this hackathon going to give you a lot of different experience. Perhaps this is your first time learning about blockchain, EVM, Aurora, so you're going to learn some. And second, you already know them and you wanted to build something. So this is a great time to focus on building new idea with mentors who are going to be around and giving you tech support. And third, perhaps this is a time you're going to meet your future co-founder or even like a someone who want to work together in a long term. You may join their project, or you're going to find someone who's going to join your project, or you're going to have your own project and building something together with your co-founders. So there's a lot of opportunity coming along with this hackathon, and we are very excited that a lot of you are sharing your interest with us. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ping us. We're going to be always ready there in the Discord server. I can see that some people are asking about Discord channel. We have a dedicated Aurora channel, so once when you join, please join there. We're going to share more information in the chat too. Okay, everyone, please try to recruit some team members. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to let us know, and let's use this opportunity to build ourselves. Great, thank you.
Amazing. Thanks so much, Eomji, for that. As she said, yes, please do stay connected. We are all a very chatty bunch, and we'd love to, get to know you and keep us updated during this hackathon. So more about the Encode and Aurora Hackathon. So as it says, it's a 4-week hackathon centered around building on Aurora with multiple tracks and bounties. So in these 4 weeks, we are super, super excited to see all the amazing things that you and your team can accomplish. And yeah, of course, we have some exciting tracks and bounties to share with you guys. So, of course, just a quick short video from the Aurora team, just to say a few words as well.
Hello, hackers! Welcome to the first Aurora Encode Hackathon. I hope everyone will have great time and tons of new things learned about Aurora. And we have a special present for you. A new shiny deployment of an Aurora Cloud, a separate EVM-compatible chain that is working on top of Near protocol, which looks and feels like Aurora mainnet. The cool thing of this particular chain is that only for you and only for the duration of the hackathon, all the transactions will be completely free. These transactions are going to be executed on the public Near mainnet, which means that you can interact with the infrastructure on Near and Aurora directly through Aurora's cross-contract calls. This setup is possible because of some advanced features of Aurora Cloud that you can check out on auroracloud.dev. Another thing to read through would be Aurora's developer portal that is located on dev.aurora.dev. There you can find a dev blog, documentation links, and all the other things that you need to develop on Aurora robustly and efficiently. Follow the announcements of the workshops and office hours where you are able to get the direct communications with our DevRel team. I would like to thank our partners, Nearboss, Axelar, and Metapool, for supporting this hackathon. I wish you luck with the challenges and let the smartest and the most creative win. Let the hack begin.
Amazing. So yeah, some really exciting stuff happening in this hackathon. But yeah, furthermore, from the Aurora team, I'd love to also introduce our partners for this hackathon. So we have Metapool and also Nia joining us. And we also have some speakers later on once we are introducing the bounty. So super excited and really, really grateful that we have all these exciting companies joining us today. So yeah, so just some further steps on what's going to happen next. So as the hackathon is progressing, we'd really encourage everyone to try to form a team. I know some people joined with a team, and some people are looking for a team. If that is the case, as Eomji said earlier, please do join our Discord server in our dedicated Aurora Hackathon chat. We'll be making a group chat or a channel soon where people can drop a message and hopefully chat with each other so that they can create a team as soon as possible. Once team creation is done, we'll have workshops in the next couple of weeks where we will be having some incredible speakers teaching you about all the technical stuff needed to build these incredible projects. And as you're doing these workshops, this is when you kind of start building on your project and really start brainstorming with your team. Of course, during our hackathons, on top of the technical support, we also do offer one-to-one mentorship. So throughout the hackathon, I will be available to kind of help you brainstorm if you need any advice, insights, or feedback. I'll be available to talk to you or to teams specifically where we can really talk about your project to make sure that you can build the best project you can in 4 weeks. And of course, the final stage of this hackathon is to submit all the incredible projects you guys will be making. But yes, in short, this is kind of a brief summary of what will happen in the next 4 weeks. As I was talking about previously, we will have some workshops which will really give you the hands-on technical support you need to build these amazing projects. And on top of this, we also have a Discord server dedicated to the Aurora Hackathon, which you can also discuss with other participants about ideas and just thoughts about what you're doing, and also one-to-one support with me as well. So up next is bounties and prizes. So I'm sure all of you are super keen about this. So I will quickly go through them all, but I'd love to invite the Aurora team to the stage to quickly introduce the bounties. So if I could have, so we're just currently inviting Boris and Slava from the Aurora team to kind of go through the Aurora bounties.
Finally. Hello, how are you?
Hi, lovely to see you.
Slava is also there.
Hi, Slava.
Do you hear me well?
Yes, all good.
Great. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Amazing, amazing. But yeah, please feel free to go through our first bounty of the hackathon.
So we have a set of bounties that is mostly based on our sponsors, right? So I don't know if you can put it on screen or should I share, or what is the best way to do this?
Sorry, what was that? To share your screen?
No, I mean, shall we kind of put the bounties on the screen?
Sure. We have.
It is already on the screen, Boris. So in the screen, we are already sharing the slide of the Aurora Entertainment Digital Media NFT Challenge.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna make slide to the next one when you are done finishing explaining this challenge.
Okay, cool. So well, we have three type of bounties, right? We have the entertainment, digital media, and the NFT challenges. So we have like 3 tiers of bounties or rewards for the bounties. Give me a second. I'm having some technical issues here. Can you take it 1 minute, Slava? I haven't. Everything is just stuck in my computer. I don't know why.
Yeah. Like I saw that people are asking in the chat what are the prizes, and I guess it's kind of obvious that like the first place will take the biggest sum, the second place will take the middle sum, and the third place will take the smallest one, the 1000 USDC. And this bounty, which you can see on your screen, is about Aurora Entertainment and NFT Challenge to develop an innovative digital media and entertainment solution using Aurora to address any kind of challenges faced by the industry in terms of data privacy, intellectual property protection, royalty payments, or copyright infringement using the NFT and similar technologies.
Yeah, I'm back.
Cool. Yes, like as Slava just mentioned, like yes, of course, the highest one is for the first one. It's like a podium style, so you can consider that the middle one is the gold medal one. Okay, so Joanna, how about going to the next one? What is the next challenge? You are muted.
Yeah, the second one is well, I can go with gaming challenge. The gaming challenge is idea is we want you to create some a new and better experience for gaming, Web3 gaming using Aurora. We are encouraging you guys to try to innovate on the mechanics of the game, try to incorporate NFTs, tokenization, decentralized governance. And we expect that for the winners, we expect them to demonstrate some kind of we expect them to be completely integrated into Aurora, seamlessly into Aurora. If you can use any of the tools we are having, like account abstraction, of course, we want you to use the gasless transactions on the silo. The whole idea here is to improve the user experience. We believe that gasless transactions and the use of the silo can significantly improve the user experience for the players. And since they don't, if a player that doesn't necessarily know that he's in a Web3 game, it will be it's like the final objective, right? So I always see in this, we want games that if the user wants to use the Web3 capabilities, she should be able to do it. But if she doesn't want to, she doesn't have to. She could have a completely non-Web3 experience, even though in the backend everything is Web3. So that's the reason for that you can use the silo, the gas transaction, the account abstraction, etc. I don't know if Slava wants to.
It's exciting to see, like as just Boris mentioned, exactly like Web3 game, maybe something can be more extensively showing what Web3 is doing directly. But on the other hand, we can give an option and adjust the infrastructure, and perhaps gamers doesn't need to know that what exact feature is on Web3 or not, and they just need to enjoy the game. So what will be the next challenge?
Our next challenge is the Aurora Tokenization Challenge.
Cool. Boris, Slava, can you share us a little bit more about this challenge?
I can talk about the tokenization, try to. The idea is to create groundbreaking applications on tokenization of real life assets. That's the gist of this, right? We want you to explore the potential, how we can use smart contracts, stable coins, NFT, flat coins, so we can represent real life assets on the blockchain. That's the case. This has been a challenge in general in the industry, and we believe that by using all the tools that we have in the silos, it should be even easier. Again, by improving the user experience, right? One of the things of challenge that have the real life asset tokenization is many of the users, they are not Web3 native, or they don't understand Web3. So we want them to have a Web3, a seamless Web3 experience, right? We expect the platform to be versatile. I mean, we want them to be able to. We want to see new assets being tokenized, not the ones that has been traditionally tokenized. So that will be a plus if you can bring new ideas of what kind of assets can be tokenized. But the basics are there, the ideas are there, like luxury, like gold, like real estate is there. But if you can bring new and better ideas of what can be tokenized, it will be awesome, right? So focus on the smart contracts and try to innovate of the kind of assets that we that we can tokenize and we can bring to Web3.
Amazing. Thanks so much for that, Boris, and to the Aurora team for explaining all three tokens so well. Super excited to see all the projects going on. So up next is the Metapool team, and we'll be inviting Alan from Metapool to join us on stage just to quickly explain the Metapool bounty as well.
Thank you very much for inviting us on this Encode Aurora Hackathon. I'm Alan, I'm part of the Metapools team, and I'm in charge of supporting all the initiatives related to developer relationships. And we are very excited to be participating on this hackathon as a partner. We want to present to all the people that is hearing us the Metapool bounty that is, for those that you didn't know, Metapool is a liquid staking solution that is present at Aurora and NIR protocol. We launched STNIR close to 2 years ago. We are almost 2 years ago that launched this first liquid staking solution on the protocol. And less than a month ago, we launched the STR solution, the first native liquid staking solution that is active on Aurora. So we are inviting all the members of the community to participate on this bounty to propose a solution that integrates both, can be STNIR token or can be STR token, to use it as a value proposition on their projects for this hackathon. We have a bag of prizes of 1,500 STNIR for the first place, is $750 for the second place, and $500 for the third place. So we will be giving also a workshop for all the participants, and we are always open to solve any doubt for integrating Metapool in your projects in our Discord channel, and we will be active also in the Discord of Encode. So happy to help, happy to share. Wish you the best on this hackathon.
Amazing. Thanks so much, Alan, for letting us know. But yeah, super excited as well to have the Metapool team with us in this hackathon. So the next bounty is with the NIR team, and just wanted to confirm if Maria is in the call. If not, I think she might be joining a bit later on, so hopefully she can say hi. But if that's the case, the NIR protocol bounty is to deploy a decentralized front-end component for Aurora. And as you can see here, there are 3 winners as well. Top prize is $3,000, second and third are also there. So hopefully, yeah, Maria will join a bit later on so she can kind of describe this in more detail. Awesome. So just to go through some quick admin stuff. So yeah, key dates for this hackathon. So early registration until Tuesday is roughly today. So we'll have a few more people joining us in the hackathon, hopefully. And yeah, it'll be super great to see more faces. So if you do have team members that haven't registered yet, please do so, just to make sure that we can send them all the calendar invites to ensure that they can participate in all our workshop events. Submission deadline will be on the 25th of June, which is on a Sunday, and the finale and prize giving is on Wednesday, which is the 12th of July. All these key dates can be found in the Hacker Pack. I've sent an email around, but also pasted it in the chat. If you haven't seen it already, please do go ahead and have a look. So our workshop. So our first workshop is actually happening right after our launch event, which will be an intro to Web3 development in Aurora, which will be with Slava. Tomorrow we'll have the same workshop, but for our Spanish audience, which will be done completely in Spanish, which will be tomorrow around 4 p.m. BST time. After that, we will kick off next week, which will be crafting complex smart contracts in Aurora, which will be on the 6th of June at 5:30 BST. And XCC transactions on the 8th of June, elevating players experience on the 12th of June. We do have more workshops lined up. All our workshops, again, will be posted in the Hacker Pack. So please do, again, go through the Hacker Pack. And once the workshops are done, all our recordings will also be posted there. So yes, do check out our Hacker Pack for all things Aurora related. So yes, next step. So of course, if you haven't already, join our Discord and join our dedicated Aurora Hackathon channel. Everything you need will be there. So all our updates, announcements. Also, if you need any technical support, our team will be there to help you. And on top of that, it's a great way to find teammates. So we will be creating a team formation channel for those who are looking for teammates. And of course, participate in our workshops. We have incredible speakers with us today. One of the great things about our live sessions is that you get to ask our speakers all the questions you have and get answers straight away, which everyone loves. And of course, last but not least is build your project. Super excited in the next 4 weeks to see all the amazing projects that are going to be made. So just to quickly go through some FAQs. So number one, who can take part? Anyone and everyone. We really encourage people to take part in our hackathons. We believe that it's a great way to meet like-minded people and also learn new things. And what better way to do that with someone who's potentially halfway across the world from you. So it's always a lot of fun. Two, do I need a team to join? No, you can build solo, but if you are interested in joining a team, like I said previously, our Discord will have a dedicated channel for team formation. Can I enter an existing project? Yes, but as long as you can show that you have introduced significant feature improvements. So of course, our hackathons will be judged on the progress that you make within these 4 weeks. So yeah, participating with an existing project is totally fine, but of course we encourage everyone to continue building on their projects. Where can I find information and resources for this hackathon? As I said, all information will be in the Hacker Pack. Please do check it out. It is linked in the channel in this Livestorm event, but also in the email. So everything Aurora Hackathon related will be on there. Will there be technical support? Yes, so of course on the live workshops, you will have the opportunity to ask our speakers any questions you may have about one about your project, or two about the things that they are showing you currently. And also in our Discord channel, we have a dedicated channel where you can write all your technical support and we can tag our expert teams to help you. And last but not least, where can I get up-to-date information? Of course, on our Discord. All our announcements, any updates we have regarding our hackathon, the best place to check is Discord. And if you have any questions, yeah, feel free to ping me on there. We're very active on our Discord.